Something tells me that this isn't going to work. So the action is the action's a little bit stuck because this is worn. The back of this has worn in a spot where it hits. Maybe we can just oil it and remedy that situation. It doesn't actually start. That's also a problem. Somebody carved their initials in there. If you recognize this, let me know. I'm sure this lighter has some stories. This is made in the United States by Regens. It's a really cool mechanism because when you open it, this here hits the flint. The flint is super easy to pull out, so let's dismantle this. And this is spring loaded. Recovered. So this being brass, this being metal with a nickel plating, I'm going to see what I can use to clean this. Mix 1/2 cup water and 1/2 cup vinegar and spray bottle. Spray the polished nickel object with a solution. Dampen a cloth, soft cloth, with water. Okay, let's go do that. Soft cloth. You can see that this isn't really doing much, and I just held it up against my skin. It's rather soft, so I felt there might be a small risk in doing it this way, but it's not having any impact on, it's not marring the surface at all because this is such a soft wire brush. So I'm just going to continue with this because the vinegar method wasn't really working. So now you can see that it's quite a bit nicer than what it really looked like before. Again, that wire brush had no impact on this diamond pattern here. This is a little bit worn here just from use. That's exactly where your thumb basically sits when you use that though. So just going to take a bit of oil. Screw. Okay. Rayon batting or whatever it is. I have no problem with this wick. I'd use it for a while still. I mean, I get it. Why you would have that much in there, you know, if you need tinder or something for a campfire, but just ridiculous. I'd like to know who this VT would be. I'm guessing it's a guy. The first thing that comes to my mind is Victor Thompson. I don't know. Just a feeling. Does this say when it was made? There's no date on this at all, but... Okay, I guess I did have it in there. Oh yeah. Last lighter I did, this was kind of a nightmare. I think I was trying to work at it for, it was at least 20 minutes. What did I end up doing? I had to press this into my thumb. Man, I know you need a lot of compression against the flint, but this is just crazy. Oh my God. I mean... pure joy. I mean, who designed something like that? Like, it's just ridiculous. Whatever. Alright, moving forward. Oh. I like that clicking sound. Oh, you know what? That would look a lot better if that was actually polished. But the problem is that this plating has been worn off over the years. I'm gonna see. I mean, I can't really do any damage to the plating. This is plated. That's plated, but this is just completely worn off. Well, yeah, so that actually matches now. This is nice. Perfect. Pretty cool little project. Alright, well, I want to thank you for watching this episode of Devilcraft Leather. This is part of a lighter series that I do that has nothing to do with leather, but I enjoy tinkering with these little things. If you like what you're watching, please click like and subscribe. I like this, it reminds me of like a gun clip.